On the news hour tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, political commentator, S. Balan, lawyer and left supporter. Also joining me in our studios, Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Professor Atikur Rahman, political analyst. But my first question goes to Congress leader Kamru Zaman Chaudhary. And Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, I'm just asking you the very simple question. Allergy to Ram, always a problem with the Prime Minister. Chaiwala has become somewhat of a pet peeve of the Congress party. But friends with Jamaat, not a word against Udaynidhi Stalin for his position on Sanatan Dharma. What is the Congress really standing for today? Do you want an Islamic republic? Is that why you have such alliances in Kerala that are coming up?
Navika ji, good evening. First and foremost, any call for a theocratic state in India is anti-constitutional and must be condemned. Whoever has made such statements must be arrested. So has to be the Kerala Muslim League leader who made such a statement. Jamaat-e-Islami Hind leader who has made a statement. So should that Dhongi Baba Bageshwar Dham who is taking out a yatra for a theocratic Hindu state must be arrested. So must be Mohan Bhagwat who is communalizing the entire atmosphere of a Hindu nation. He even goes on to say that there is no constitutional amendment needed for a Hindu Rashtra. This is the stupidity that we are facing out here. But nobody believes in the fact what Rabindranath Tagore said. I do not believe in the religion of the temple or the mosque or the church. I believe in the religion of man. When the Prime Minister of the country says I can identify people on their clothes, what they wear, how shameful it can be for the Indian Constitution. We are upholders of the Constitution. The Congress party believes in plurality of the Indian Constitution, on equality and dignity of each and every religion and caste in the country. Unlike the BJP's dhongis, like Himanta Biswa Sharma.
So how come the Congress lost its voice since 2023 right up to 2026 and did not condemn Udaynidhi Stalin when he said Sanatan Dharma was dengue, malaria, HIV and needed to be eradicated? Where did the Congress's voice go then? How come you can call yourself secular when you can't raise your voice against people who make statements against a religion, against a dharma, followed by 80% of the population? Just because you have an alliance going with the Jamaat-e-Islami, which wants an Islamic republic, and you have an allergy to Ram, Rahul Gandhi cannot even go with the Defense Parliamentary Committee 2 years later to Ram Mandir. What does that show? Allergy?
No, Navika ji, one thing you tell me, has Rahul Gandhi visited the biggest temple of Calcutta, the Kalighat temple? Has Narendra Modi visited the Kalighat temple so far in his 11 years of his being the Prime Minister? The Kalighat temple of Calcutta happens to the biggest temple of the Bengalis. Not necessarily the Ram Mandir that is still incomplete is a Mandir of the Bengalis out here. So it doesn't make any sense to argue that Rahul Gandhi did not visit that temple and this temple. There are 3 crore devatas in our country. Is it possible for everybody? Because Narendra Modi has built up
so there are 3 crore devatas. Okay, another slander of Sanatan is right here, and the DNA is very much out there on national television and Shehzad Poonawalla. Well, it's all there. QED.
देखिए, जुबान पर संविधान पर मन में शरिये की दुकान. इन्होंने अभी बोला कि whoever advocates for the Islamic Republic, that Jamaat-e-Islami leader, he should be arrested. But what about this person? He is a minister in the Jharkhand government.
शरीयत मेरे लिए बड़ा, ठीक है. हम कुरान सीने में रखते हैं और हाथ में रखते हैं संविधान. मुसलमान कुरान सीने में और हाथ में संविधान लेके चलता है, ठीक है. तो हम पहले शरीयत को पकड़ेंगे, इसके बाद संविधान.
पहले शरीयत को पकड़ेंगे फिर संविधान को, क्योंकि ये मेरा इस्लाम है. अंसारी हु इज अ मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी इन झारखंड, व्हाट एक्शन हैव यू टेकन ऑन हिम? अच्छा देखिए, अभी पवन खेड़ा ने बोला ये राम के नहीं, ये काम के नहीं. अरे आप तो रोम वाले हैं, आप राम राम करने लगे, यही मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। भाई लुक एट दिस, अभी फूल सिंह बरैया का स्टेटमेंट हिंदू धर्म पे आया, क्या कमेंट आया राहुल गांधी का? हिंदू टेरर, सैफरन टेरर, हिंदुत्व इज आइसिस, बोको हराम, राम जी काल्पनिक है, राम मंदिर बेकार है, सनातन समाप्त कर दीजिए। दीपम के उसमें आपने इंपीचमेंट मोशन लाया जज के खिलाफ, फिर कोई यहाँ पर रामचरितमानस को फाड़ देता है, कोई बोलता है मठाधीश माफिया है, कोई बोलता है यादव तो हिंदू नहीं होते, कोई बोलता है कि दीपोत्सव में दिया क्यों लगाते हैं, वो प्रजापति समाज के दिए मत लीजिए, क्रिश्चियन समाज से जाकर चर्च की झालर ले लीजिए। फिर कोई बोलता है कि राम भक्तों पर गोलियां चलाए, बहुत अच्छा किया, प्रभु श्री राम मुस्लिम है, ये टीएमसी के नेता बोलते हैं। मोदी शिवलिंग को मॉक करते हैं, सायोनी घोष, जागोमा बोलने पर पीटा जाता है, अपोज जी जय श्री राम करते हैं और बाबरी जिंदाबाद बोलने की आजादी मिलती है। और ये कांग्रेस का जो रिश्ता है जमात के साथ, ये बहुत पुराना है। आईयूएमएल के साथ तो गठबंधन है ना मुस्लिम लीग के साथ। व्हाट डिड राहुल गांधी से? आईयूएमएल इज सेक्युलर। देन आफ्टर दैट दे हैव टेकन द सपोर्ट ऑफ जमात इन वेरियस इलेक्शंस इंक्लूडिंग वायनाड इलेक्शंस एंड इन द बाइपोल इन नीलमबुरी। Then after that they have taken support of SDPI, they have withdrawn the cases of PFI, they have taken anti-CA pro-Gaza stand because they wanted to take the support of Jamaat. They have said Muslim reservation, is this Samvidhanik? Then they have said that Mahakumbh was a completely badly done thing by the Kerala Congress, it was completely spreading the propaganda. Then you would have seen that the Kerala High Court and the Christian community spoke about love jihad, they opposed the love jihad case, they said that Kerala story should not be made. Then they said that we should also oppose the Waqf reform even though the Munabbam case was about the Christians, and they have taken support of all these elements. So on the one hand you have them coming forward for the Jamaat, then Congress says we are a Muslim party, that has been said by Revant Reddy, and they are constantly abusing Hindus. Now I know what Mr. Vivek Sailas is going to say. Vivek Sailas is going to say कि शंकराचार्य का सम्मान नहीं करते। सुन लीजिए, मैं प्रियम्प्ट कर रहा हूं, नाविका में 10 सेकंड लेकर प्रियम्प्ट कर रहा हूं। विवेक जी बोलेंगे कि 10 देखिए विवेक,
आप सबकी स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं क्या?
स्क्रिप्ट
नहीं, आप सबकी स्क्रिप्ट लिखते
मैं
हैं
इनकी
क्या?
स्क्रिप्ट तो लिख ही नहीं सकता, इनकी स्क्रिप्ट जो है अभी प्रभु श्री राम ही लिखने वाले हैं, देख लीजिए। मैं केवल इतना बोलूंगा कि शंकराचार्य जी को 2015 में किसकी सरकार ने लाठी से पीटा था, वही शंकराचार्य की बात करेंगे नहीं?
मैं करूंगा,
वही करेंगे ना?
विवेक साइलेंस, लेकिन